This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Greg Flint. Your own private orchard acre and a half beautifully landscaped with a variety of fruit trees and great expansive yard. The home is over 2,900 square feet and requires some deferred maintenance, remedied, and some cosmetic repairs. What a fantastic opportunity to live on a dead-end street with room around you. Enjoy.There are both a 624 square foot 2-car garage and a 308 square foot 1-car garage on the property. This is a rare large home on small acreage near Blaine. Bring your remodel skills and ideas to create the perfect home to live and relax. For more information, review the details below.